Good morning, this is geometry class. It's Wednesday. It's supposed to be a beautiful day today. I hope you get outside a little bit later on. Okay, so what we're looking at today is surface area of prisms and cylinders. This is a prism, so that'd be kind of like this Kleenex box here. Now the book talks about lateral area and surface area. Lateral area means the sides of the box, kind of like when you throw a lateral in football, it goes sideways. So we're just looking at the sides, not the top or the bottom. And so the easiest way to do this that I know of is just, let's look at this end here. It's 3 by 5. 3 times 5 is 15, so that means the area that's 15. Well, that's how big this one is too, so we add another 15. Plus, now the front would be part of the lateral as well. It's this here. It's 10 by 5. Be careful of that. Don't use a 3. 10 by 5 is 50. Well, the front's 50, the back's 50. If we add all these together, we get 130. The surface area means you have to add a lateral area plus the top and bottom. So if I look at the top and bottom of this, the bottom is 10 by 3, which is 30, which means that's how big the top is as well, the area for it, so that equals 60. So what you want to do is take the 130 and the 60 and add them together, and that will give you a surface area equals 190, and that would be inches squared. And this one, the lateral area, would be that inches. So there's your first answer, and there's your second answer. It's pretty straightforward. Now when you do a cylinder, when they ask for lateral area, what they're really asking for is the sides around here. Well, the side of a cylinder, actually when you pull it off and look at it, it's a rectangle, long skinny rectangle, and it wraps around the can one time. So the length of the rectangle going around the bottom here would be pi times d, because that's the circumference, and then you got to multiply by the height to find the area. So this would be pi times d times height, which would be 3.14 times 18 times 10, and when you get that, you get 565.2, and that would be the answer in centimeters squared for the lateral area. Now for the surface area, you've got to add the top and bottom, and the top and bottom on the bean can are circles, and so we have to add two circles. So I'm going to have 2 times pi r squared, which would be 2 times 3.14 times the radius would be 9, and 9 squared is 81. We multiply that together, we get 508.68 centimeters squared. So we're going to take this answer, which was the two circles, add what we got up here, and that will give us a total of 1,073.88 centimeters squared. And I have it written over here as well, but I just wanted you to see the reason for why it comes out that way. So your homework today is right here, page 684. 2 and 3 are like this, 5 and 6 are like that. So there's 4 problems that you have to do today in class. Shouldn't take you too long.